Does tantric intimacy differ from the way modern dating apps or hookup culture approaches a relationship?
Well, very much so, because we're looking for someone that we can be our total self with, tell the total truth to, be totally transparent and vulnerable and intimate and not play games. So most people aren't looking for that.
No.
Maybe they fantasize about it, but they're not looking for that. So in Tantra, that's what we're looking for. I want to have my best friend and who's also my best sexual friend. I want to be as close as I am with my best friend. Tell him anything, no secrets, no games. We're growing together. We're both trying to grow together and become better human beings. And part of that is how we do our relationships. We try to be better human beings in our relationship.
Is there a questions that you ask that person to scout them, because you're looking for a great connection, but like you're coming in with the right mindset, but the other person coming is probably not in that same great mindset that you are. So how can we I don't know, scout them or figure them out?
Yeah, that's true. Well, I think the first thing you want to realize is that we've all been steered wrong, like you said, to think that the way a person looks is the most important thing. I enjoy a good looking person as much as the next person, but it's not my number one criteria. My number one criteria is someone I feel safe with, to be myself, who's not going to make fun of me, and that they're a kind person. They might help a little old person across the street, or they might show up and coach Little League, or they might do something kind, and that they don't diss people behind their backs. So those became, I think, when you're a Tantra person is looking for a relationship, those are more qualities they're looking for. It's like, you can be great looking, but if you're going to make fun of me, I don't want anything to do with you.
For sure. Because when disrespect gets out the window, it's like, no, that don't work no more.
That's right. You're not going anywhere with that person. So
exactly.
Unless you want to have years of, suffering.
Unless you have that Joker card and you're like, oh, I won the lottery last week. Maybe you can flip it around, but normally you won't, because when disrespect happens, like a girl's not going to sleep with somebody that she doesn't respect. That's for sure. A man will, but a woman fucking won't. Like, why would I give myself to this fucking idiot?
Well said.